Hi guys, and welcome to this week's tech news. My name is Toby, and today we are going to be talking about how Netflix is cracking down on users sharing passwords. According to multiple sources, Netflix is rolling out a new feature which prevents account owners from sharing their account details with relatives. Some users say that they saw messages like, "If you don't live with the owner of this account, you need to create your account to keep watching." This trial is set to display this type of message to users, and users will be sent a verification code to their email or as a text message which they will enter so they can gain access to their account. Of course, this has its disadvantage and advantage, as Netflix users who share their account details are prone to hackers, as hackers can get their credit card and all the sensitive information from that and carry out cyber attacks. This doesn't help legitimate Netflix users who are on a family plan but live in different parts of the country or the world, as they might be denied access to the family plan. If the new rollout goes ahead, users can still share password, as they can still text their relatives the code and carry on watching as normal. Please leave a comment below if you support this feature, and if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.